Looking for the smoothest skin from waist to toe? A full-body Brazilian wax could be your new best friend. No more daily shaving or annoying stubble, just weeks of soft, glowing skin. Stick around as we walk you through the process, benefits, and expert aftercare tips. Let's get into it. A full-body Brazilian wax means saying goodbye to hair from your waist down. That includes the bikini area, legs, and even toes. Unlike shaving, which only trims hair at the surface, waxing removes hair from the root. The result? Smoother skin that lasts up to a month with finer regrowth over time. Why do so many people swear by Brazilian waxing? Here's what makes it worth it. Longer lasting results. Enjoy weeks of smoothness, finer, softer regrowth, no more prickly stubble. Exfoliation bonus. Removes dead skin cells for a natural glow. Less irritation, reduces ingrown hairs compared to shaving. Great results start with great prep. Here's how to get ready. Gently exfoliate your skin 24 hours before waxing. Skip lotions, oils, or heavy skincare on the day of your appointment. Let hair grow to at least 1/4 inch for the best grip. Avoid caffeine beforehand. It can make your skin more sensitive. Try not to schedule your wax right before or after your period for extra comfort. Wondering what happens during a full-body Brazilian wax? Here's the breakdown. Cleansing. The skin is prepped to remove oils and dirt. Wax application. Warm wax is applied in small sections. Quick removal. The wax is swiftly pulled off, removing hair at the root. Soothing care. A calming gel is applied to reduce redness. Aftercare is key to keeping your skin smooth and irritation-free. Follow these simple steps. Apply aloe vera or a cooling gel to soothe the skin. Avoid hot showers, saunas, and sweating for at least 24 hours. Wear loose breathable clothing to prevent friction. Start exfoliating after 3 days to reduce ingrown hairs. Now you know how to achieve silky hair-free skin with a full-body Brazilian wax. Have you tried it before? Let us know your experience in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more beauty and self-care tips. See you in the next video.